Setting nearby, sharing to contacts only or everyone, allows you to control who can send files to your device, ensuring either just your contacts or anyone in the vicinity can share with you. Here's how you do it. First, tap the home button to go back to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top, then tap the settings icon in the top corner. Next, find and tap on connected devices. In the next menu, select Quick Share. Now, scroll down and tap on Who Can Share With You. A pop-up will appear with options. If you want to restrict sharing to just people in your Samsung account contacts, tap Contacts Only. Alternatively, if you want to allow anyone nearby to share files with you, choose Everyone. If you prefer to turn off nearby sharing completely, you can select No One. Once you've made your selection, tap the Home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.